Is this a good place to film? I'm here again for like the third time trying to film this girl with me. The lighting is bad. I'm so sorry. I just did my foundation and I did my concealer. I blended that out and I'm just gonna do my eyebrows right now. If you want a detailed eyebrow routine, don't ask for one because I do them different every day. And today I'm gonna do straight brow eyebrows. Straight brows. So I have my mirror. It's like this. Sorry if you can see. If that bothers you, my bad, but I need to have it a little bit closer. I wanted to do a Chit GRWM with me today, but it was not working out because I ramble a lot and I talk kind of fast. How do you do straight brows? If I did a Chit GRWM with me, I don't even know what to say. So maybe one day I'll like do like a get ready with me, but it's gonna be like a Q&A get ready with me so I know what to talk about. I wanted to do straight brows today, but I don't think I can. I'll be doing a playlist video soon. Ask me questions either here or on Instagram for a Q&A because I want to do a Q&A really badly because I feel like nobody in this channel knows who I am, bruh. This eyebrow is always the worst eyebrow ever. I just want to look like a demented dolphin tail. Like, what is that? What is that? So yeah, it's not that bad, but it's still not good. So we're gonna bake. Yay. I love baking. Okay, that's enough. I don't know. Was that enough? I wish I was up here, but I'm down here. I'm gonna pop up my chair with books. Okay. Oh, fuck. Why didn't that work? It's supposed to work. Fuck. Am I sliding? Okay, I hope this stays put. Now we're gonna do my the lighting is still bad. I need water. I put on water before I put on chapstick all the time. I look like a freak. I always use these two browns. But I'm gonna do something out of the box today. Maybe I'll do purple. That's ugly. I hate purple. I'm gonna do purple. Right now I'm just gonna use I usually use 2 colors in my makeup looks, or 3. Oh my god, when did this break? Somebody used this. This did not break on my watch. I did not use this at all. Like, what the hell? I'm gonna mix this purple with this red with this black. It's not gonna turn out good. Just watch. And I was not wrong. That's actual garbage. Oh wait, it's not actually that bad. She just broke it and she just gave it back to me. Like, everyone thinks I'm freaking stupid, which I am. But still, like, what? You have to like at least tell me these things. Yeah, that playlist video is coming soon. I want to do a Q&A, and I have a lot of other coolish videos planned for 2018. And I really hope you guys will like them, and I really hope we can all be friends because, oh, it looks pretty. I like making friends, you know? Okay. So now that that's done, I'm gonna do contour next. We're gonna put freckles on. Liquid lipstick. I think I have a purple. Oh no, this is brown. This is red brown. This is another brown. This is a dark brown. So I only have browns. It's fine, you know? It's fine. But yeah, this is the finishing look. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. I know you guys didn't enjoy the video, sorry, my bad, but you guys should still leave a like and still comment or something if you're still watching this. I know you're not. Yeah, so thank you. I'll see you later. Bye. Okay, this is a proper outro to that little get ready with me. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys like this video. Like it and comment a question like I told you to do, you should comment on my Instagram if you came from here, if you want to. Also, I found my glasses. I lost these and I found them again, and I'm really happy about it. Bye. Okay, damn, that was terrible. Bye.